Why isn't your non-profit marketing strategy working? You've got the mission, the passion, and the drive, but the donations and support just aren't coming in. Here is the hard truth. Likes on social media don't equal donations, and a pretty Canva template isn't a marketing plan. Today, I will show you how to create a strategy that actually works to inspire donors and build lasting support. Hi, I'm Martin, a digital marketing expert for non-profits. I help charities amplify their voice, showcase their impact, and secure the support they deserve. And here's the one thing I've noticed. Most non-profits think of marketing as an afterthought, just throwing up random social media posts or using outdated websites that feel more corporate than human. But here's the thing, marketing isn't just about showing up. It's about creating meaningful connections with people who believe in your mission. Let me paint a picture. Some of the charities I work with didn't even have social media when we first started working together. It's 2025. That's crazy. And for those that did, they were stuck in a cycle of posting Canva templates or polished graphics that didn't resonate. And yes, they would get a few likes here and there, but let's be honest, likes don't pay the bills and they don't reflect actual donations or long-term support. Here is what's happening. Non-profits sweat blood and tears to work on their projects and help people. That's their daily mission, but they completely forget to showcase what they do effectively. And without sharing your story in a way that connects, you are missing out on reaching countless people who would be more than happy to support your mission. And look, I get it, marketing feels overwhelming, especially with everything else you have to do. And to make it even worse, there are marketers out there who prey on non-profits, selling Canva templates, social media planners, or generic courses. And they might be good, but unfortunately these don't address the real issue, the lack of a clear, actionable strategy that speaks to your audience. Let me show you something that might open your eyes. Google's research revealed the 7-11-4 rule. Before someone buys from you, or in your case donates or support your mission, they need 7 hours of engagement with your brand, 11 touch points of engagement, and 4 separate locations of contact. Now think about it for a second. It's a journey, a process of building trust and connection over time. And marketing is about designing that journey for your donors, helping them move from awareness to action. A social media planner or Canva template isn't going to get you there if you don't have a plan, a real strategy for that journey. And if that still wasn't enough, here's the bad news. We are in what I call a trust recession. It's harder than ever to get people to donate because trust in institutions and organizations is at an all-time low. That means you need to work even harder to build genuine, lasting connections with your audience. But don't worry, there is a good news. In this video, I will show you how to create a marketing strategy that not only builds trust but inspires action. By the end, you will know how to take your marketing from random and reactive to strategic and impactful. The first step is clarity, and it starts with documenting everything about your organization. This isn't just a formality, it's transformative. By writing it all down, you will uncover the stories, values, and impact that you might overlook in your day-to-day work. Here is what you can do on your own. Grab a Google Doc and include details like who you are, your mission, and why you exist, the challenges you solve, and the people you help, your most inspiring success stories, your short-term and long-term goals. Take your time with this process. The clearer you are, the more effective your strategy will be. When I work with clients, I provide a tailored guide packed with questions designed to dig deep. Once completed, we analyzed every detail, uncovering hidden gems to form a solid foundation for a results-driven marketing strategy. This isn't just about answering questions, it's about unlocking the full potential of your organization. Your goal isn't to appeal to everyone. It's to connect with people who resonate deeply with your mission. That starts with identifying your audience's needs and motivations. Here is how you can do it yourself. Create audience personas. Ask yourself, who are they? Donors, founders, community members? What drives them to care about your cause? What kind of content do they engage with? Marketing is about designing a journey that moves your audience from awareness to action. This is where sales funnels comes in. Sales funnel, but we are a non-profit. Let me explain. A sales funnel is simply a guided journey that turns interest into support. To do this yourself, focus on 3 stages. Awareness content. Share authentic story-driven posts that draw people in. Engagement content. Use blog posts, videos, or emails to deepen the relationship. Conversion content. Create clear call to action that make it easy to donate, volunteer, or support you. For our clients, we design and optimize these journeys, ensuring their content aligns perfectly with their goals and audience. Consistency builds trust and authenticity builds connection. Post updates on regular basis, share behind the scenes moments, and let your supporters to see heart of your mission. Simply use your smartphone to record raw, heartfelt videos that show the real people behind your organization. For example, for our clients, we create a blend of day-to-day content and high-quality documentary-style videos that capture attention and inspire action. Now, you have the tools to create a strategy that works. But if you would like guidance, I'm offering a absolutely free 45-minute session where I will audit your efforts, answer your questions, and provide tailored suggestions to take your marketing to the next level. Click the link below to book your session. Spots are limited, so don't miss this chance to amplify your impact and secure the support your mission deserves.